Hi guys, my name is Ajis. Today I am presentation for present perfect tense by Ajis. Slide 1. When to use the present perfect tense? The present perfect tense is used to talk about action or states that start in the past and have a connection to the present. Here are the main use. Number one, experience. We ask the present perfect to talk about experience in our life. It doesn't matter when actually the experience happened. Just that is just that it has occurred at some point. Example: I have been aboard which Anna has never broken a leg. Have you ever eaten sushi? We often use never and ever with the present perfect to the lack of or extension of an experience. Next, action continuing up to now. The present perfect is used to describe action that began in the past and continue up to the present moment. Example, I have been a teacher for more than 10 years. We haven't seen Janine signed Friday. How long have you been at this school? We we commonly use signs and for to index the duration of this action. Next slide. Action with a result in the present. The present perfect can be used to talk about action that happened in the past but have a result or consequence that is still relevant now. Example, I have lost my wallet. The wallet is still missing. Jimmy has gone to South America. He is still here. Have you finished your homework? Is it complete now? We frequently use just already and yet with the present perfect to emphasize the timing of task action, their result. Next. Um, Present perfect tense. What is the present perfect tense? The slide provides a clear expression of how to form and use the present perfect tense in English. This tense is used to talk about actions that start in the past and have a connection to the present. How to form the present perfect tense? Uh, Auxiliary verb. The first part of the present perfect tense is the auxiliary verb have or has. We us have with I, you, we, and they, and has with he, she, and it. For past participle, the second part is the past participle of the main verb. For regular verb, we add end to the base form of the verb, e.g. work, visit. However, irregular verbs have their own unique past participle eng seen, gone. Next, uh, example of positive tense. The slide gives example of positive tense using the present perfect tense. Number 1, I have been to Moscow. 2, you have finished the exercise. 3, he has just gone home. 4, she has already had a holiday this year. 6, it has broken. 7, we have seen this film before. 8, they have bought a new car. Next slide. Example of negative tense. The slide also provides example of negative tense. 1, I have not been aboard yet. 2, I 2, I have not answered question. 3, he has not been home for 5 years. 4, she has not found a new job. It has not finished yet. We have not worked on farm. And they have not seen each other for age. Next slide. Yes or no question. Finally, the slide shows how to form yes or no question in the present perfect tense. Have you ever been in class? Has 2, has she finished her work? 3, have they gone to the party? Key point, the present perfect tense connects the past with the present. The auxiliary verb have or has is always used. 3, the main verb is in the past participle form. 4, contraction like haven't, t, and hasn't, t are commonly used in negative tense. Next. Present perfect information question. The slide focus on forming information question in the present perfect tense. These question asks for specific details about actions that have happened in the past and are still relevant to the present. Structure. The basic structure of the question is 1. Question word, what, how, long, how many times. 2. Have or has. 3. Subject. 4. Past participle of the main verb. Example: 1. What have you done? 2. How long has he been here? 3. How many times has he visited? 4. What countries have we been to? 5. Where have they worked? These questions are used to gather information about past experience, duration of action, and frequency of event. Next slide and last slide. For and science. This slide explains the use of for and signs with the present perfect tense. These words help you specify the duration of starting point of an action that began in the past and continue up to the present. For use with a profile period of time, e.g. 2 years 5 minutes. It indexes how long an action has been happening. Signs used with a specific point in the time, e.g. last year Monday. It indexes when an action starts. Example: I have had this computer for 5 years. You've had the computer for a proof of 5 years. 2. How long have you been at this school? You have been at this school for a certain duration. 3. I have I haven't seen John since last summer. You haven't seen John starting from last summer until now. The slide provide a clear explanation for how to form information question in the present perfect tense and how to use for and signs to specify the duration of action in the tense. Here are additional points you might find helpful. Contraction. We often use a contraction like haven't and hasn't in negative tense, e.g. I haven't been there. Short answer. When answering yes or no question in the present perfect, when use yes, I have, or no, I haven't, e.g. Have you finished your homework? Yes, I have. Thank you.